Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. This question is from the topics binomial distribution. The question is write down the probability mass function of a binomial distribution which has mean 6 and standard deviation root 2. Solution. Suppose x is a random variable which follows binomial distribution with parameter n and p. N and p. This can be written as symbolically x follows binomial n comma p. Now what is n? N is number of trials and p is probability of success. Probability of success. Since it is a probability lies between 0 and 1. Q is probability of failure. And P plus Q equals to 1. Q also lies between 0 and 1. Now the mean of a binomial distribution which has a parameter n and p is np. np is the mean of a binomial distribution when x follows a binomial distribution with parameter n and p. Mean is given as 6. Therefore, NP is 6. Standard deviation in the short form it is SD is root 2. We know variance is square of the standard deviation, that is SD square, or SD is the positive square root of variance. Therefore, variance is root 2 squared. This becomes 2. Now, formula for variance is NPQ. That is, mean is NP, which is 6, and variance is NPQ, which is 2. Therefore, NPQ by NP is 2 by 6. NP get cancelled. This implies Q equals to 1 by 3. When Q is 1 by 3, P equals to 1 minus Q. This is P is 1 minus 1 by 3. This is 2 by 3. Now, n into p equals to 6. In place of p, I am writing 2 by 3 equals to 6. Therefore, n equals to 6 into 3 by 2. This get cancelled. 2, 6. We get value of n equals to 9. Therefore, n equals to 9, p equals to 2 by 3 and q equals to 1 by 3. Now we write the PMF of binomial distribution. The PMF or the probability mass function, PMF is the short form of probability mass function. The PMF, the short form of probability mass function of binomial distribution with parameter 9 comma 2 by 3 is f of x equals to 9cx p to the power, p is here 2 by 3, that is 2 by 3 whole to the power x into 1 by 3 whole to the power 9 minus x, for x is 0, 1, 2 dot 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 up to 9 and 0 otherwise. This is the answer of this question. This is the probability mass function of the binomial distribution. That's it for this video. I hope everybody understood the solution of this question. Thank you.